If you've been scrolling online in 2026, chances are you've come across ads for Novalift eye patches. They promise to reduce wrinkles, remove dark circles, and give you smoother, younger-looking skin almost instantly. But with so many skincare products making big claims, the real question is, do Novalift eye patches actually work, or is this just another overhyped product? Let's break it down honestly. To start with, Novalift eye patches are designed as microneedle under-eye patches. Unlike regular gel patches, these are supposed to use tiny dissolvable microstructures that deliver ingredients directly into the skin. The main ingredients usually include things like hyaluronic acid, collagen, and sometimes retinol or peptides ingredients that are commonly used to hydrate and improve skin texture. The idea behind this technology is simple. Instead of just sitting on top of your skin, the microneedles are meant to penetrate slightly deeper and release active ingredients more effectively. In theory, this could help reduce fine lines, puffiness, and dryness around the eyes. One of the main reasons these patches have become so popular is their strong marketing claims. Many ads suggest that you can see visible improvements in just a few uses, with smoother skin and reduced dark circles. Some even compare the results to professional treatments, which is a big promise for an at-home product. Now, to be fair, some parts of this are true. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid can help hydrate the skin and temporarily make it look more plump and smooth. So after using the patches, you might notice that your under-eye area looks fresher or less dry. This is especially noticeable if your skin was dehydrated to begin with. However, this is where the reality starts to differ from the marketing. The effects of these patches are usually temporary. While they can improve the appearance of your skin for a short period of time, they are not a long-term solution for deeper wrinkles or persistent dark circles. Those issues often require consistent skincare routines or professional treatments. Another important point is that not all users have positive experiences. In fact, many reviews online mention problems such as little to no visible results, patches feeling low quality, or not matching what was shown in advertisements. Some users also report skin irritation, especially if they have sensitive skin. There are also concerns beyond just the product itself. One of the most common complaints involves subscription and billing issues. Some customers say they were charged repeatedly after a single purchase or had difficulty canceling subscriptions. This is something to be very aware of before buying, especially if the product is advertised through aggressive online ads. That doesn't necessarily mean the product is completely fake, but it does mean you should approach it with caution and carefully read the terms before making a purchase. Another thing to keep in mind is that while microneedle patches sound advanced, similar skincare ingredients are available in many trusted brands at lower risk, often with more consistent results and better customer support. So do we really need Novalift eye patches in 2026? The honest answer is not necessarily. If you're looking for a quick, temporary boost in hydration or a short-term improvement in how your under-eye area looks, these patches might help a little. But if you're expecting dramatic, long-lasting results like the ads suggest, you're likely to be disappointed. There are more reliable skincare options out there that can deliver better results over time. Overall, Novalift eye patches are a good example of a product that sounds innovative but is heavily driven by marketing. They're not a miracle solution, and the mixed reviews, especially around billing, make them something you should research carefully before trying. If this review helped you decide whether Novalift eye patches are worth it, let me know in the comments. Would you try viral skincare products like this, or do you prefer sticking to trusted brands?